हे गाइस वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू साइंटिफिक वर्ल्ड ऑफ तन्मया। आज के इस वीडियो पे हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन पार्टिकल्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। नाउ दिस इज थर्ड, प्रोबेबली द लास्ट वन. All this hydrogen and oxygen together forms H2O that we call water. Till now we made two observations. Now the question is that none of these water molecules care about each other. All these particles, are they just completely different from their neighbors? Do they don't talk to each other? Is there no relationship between them? Now that is the question. Is that true? If you try to throw water around, you can see that they come together like lumps and we call them water bubbles. You throw them, they started to lump each other. If there are no attraction, why they lump? They started to fly away. So something keep them together. Now, forget that water. Take something as chair. Now here I am taking a box and trying to separate it. To break that, you apply some force. If I take a chalk here and try to break it, it also needs some force to break. Which means when even you separate particles, there seems to something of holding them together. Now keep them all side and take a paper. If you try to tear the paper, if going to try it pretty randomly. Now the question I am going to ask you, but not the answer of it. Now somehow you make a line and press it really hard and then tear it. It is going to tear perfectly. Now the question is to think you that why does it require some force to tear them apart from each other? We can go and touch them a little bit and separate them. That means something holding them. That's why we can't separate by them touching. And that is the third and the final observation that we observed till now. They attract each other. From our previous videos, we observed that they have space between them, they are continuously moving, they attract each other. We can try and break them by applying some force, but that does not mean they didn't have attraction between each other.